Carku starting battery installation guide. First, turn off the vehicle's power switch to disconnect the power. Remove the battery cover. Disconnect the negative and positive terminal of the battery. Remove the fixed bracket. Clean the positive and negative terminal connectors thoroughly. Ensure there is no oil or impurities on the connectors. Clean the battery compartment. Place the Carku starting battery in the compartment. Install the fixed bracket. Ensure that the battery cannot move. Proper battery installation is very important. Secure the positive terminal of the battery. Secure the negative terminal. Do not reverse or loosely connect the terminals. It is recommended that the positive and negative terminal connectors be made of the same material as the battery posts. Then, press and hold the battery switch button to turn it on. Wait for the blue indicator light to remain on. Turn on the vehicle's power switch to power up. Start the vehicle and test the operation. Installation complete.